So a couple of videos ago, I taught you guys how to clean a figurine with Magic Eraser, right? So today I'm going to do the same exact thing, and I am going to do it to Ika Musume here because she came to me with a lot of stains. She is pretty stained up except for the face, which is a good thing. So this is going to be a follow-up video of that original video that I made to show how effective Magic Eraser is when it comes to removing the stains on anime figurines. So let's start. So yeah, this figurine is stuck in this plastic prison here, so I have to use this scissor. Be careful, children. You might get yourself injured if you use scissors to remove her from her prison. Wait, maybe I don't need to use the scissor at all because everything just falls apart. Okay. There you go. Little by little, she is released. Be careful using scissors, man. You don't want to wind up like that guy poke himself in the eye and regret it every single day. Where he did not run with scissors. I need to use scissors. Can you guys hear me clearly? I raised the volume of my voice. Hopefully that people will be able to listen to me clearly. Maybe no more. I'm taking my time when I speak, so I can be intelligible but loud. Okay. I am close to getting her. There you go. And here we are. We finally released Pika from her plastic bag. So let's take a look at what the damage is. Now I'm probably going to be reviewing this figurine later, but not now. Right now I'm just going to show you guys how to clean stuff up from figurines that have all this mess. Just look how stained she is. Like, I don't think that those things can be removed with detergent. You literally have to like get in there to remove it. And just look at her feet. Disgusting. These are all paint transfers. She clashed with wow. That is actually a very good rendition of Ika Musume. Despite being a prize figure, Banpresto actually did a very good job with this figurine. She's so cheap though. If you're a fan of Ika Musume, I will definitely recommend you getting this figurine. She does not stand well. I have to do a makeshift figure base on this for this, yeah, and probably put her in warm water and adjust the ankle. Anyway, we do not come here for a figurine review. We come here to clean her up. So yeah, gonna check damage over here. So I'm going to clean all those marks up. So in the meantime, and I'm probably going to be doing it off screen. So in the meantime, enjoy Taiga. Taiga, can you please entertain the viewers? And at the same time, I'm just going to talk to you about stuff while I rub this thing. I'm just going to do it like this, off screen. You're doing a real good job, Taiga. Entertain the viewers with your opinions regarding politics of Japan and stuff like that. They can't hear you, but I can. I will never have a review Taiga, I think. Because I just don't want to review him, man. talk about current events. Like what's currently happening when this video was shot, you know. You guys would probably want to know more about that. I wonder if this like orange stuff is part of the paint. Because when you're using Magic Eraser, it tends to peel off the paint a bit. So you have to be careful with that. And there, she no longer have that red paint on her thigh. That part of that stain's gone. It's really difficult to get into this rough spots now. I cannot do it on screen because this is a tricky thing. This thing can get quite tricky. A word of warning though, if you are cleaning your figurines like this, expect the paint to be peeled off a bit. It's probably going to eat through the plastic. But hey, you want to remove the paint, right? You want her looking really good. You know what, I think this brown stuff like stain, I don't think that she came like that off factory. Ika is getting her thighs rubbed. Degeso. Freaking Degeso. Freaking squid. Stupid squid. Okay, so I'm going to be focusing on that part there next. See that? That part needs to go. So I'm just going to be scrubbing at that point after this. So you know my progress. See what happens. You hear that scrubbing noise? That's pretty much me doing this off screen. The video is at 7 minutes now. I wonder what Taiga is doing to you guys. I have to watch a video and see what happens. How does she entertain the viewers when I'm not watching? I'm off doing something else. Taiga is my pet rock, by the way. This is my pet rock. Yeah, I know she is in inanimate object. But she came from anime, and anime is pretty much anime. Anime is pretty much animation, right? So, but she's inanimate. That's good. Because she's like a freaking statue or something. How is Taiga entertaining you guys so far? Has he said anything funny? Are you entertained by her? This is the progress so far. As you could see, the paint has been... Oh, I think it's also scrubbing the paint, the core paint of the figurine. I don't think that the figurine is that painted to begin with. I think those are just like mold scams or some mold scum stains or something. Mold scum. I didn't say cum stains. I said scum. Probably from, you know, her being put somewhere. Anyway, yeah, there's a progress so far. As you could see, most of the paint is gone. Most of the stain is gone. We're gonna keep rubbing so we can remove that one other stain, the blue paint there. No idea how to get there. So far so good. Yeah. I'm just going to like lightly rub. Lightly rub it. Okay, so Boom. So far so good. Hopefully. I hope the original pink is still there. I'm just gonna suck the pink off. I don't have to repick the whole entire figure. I am going to focus on her feet now. I'm going to show you how effective Magic Eraser is. I'm talking about this thing, by the way, and if you haven't watched my previous video, it is going to be about these things. You know, remember this? Do you remember this? Guns, mini eraser, magic sponge cleaner. That is the product I'm using for this wash build. Sorry that I have to do everything off screen, but you guys got Taiga and she can entertain you while I do the off screen stuff. It's quite entertaining, you see. Philmento will probably have a thing or two to talk to me while when it comes to like entertaining my viewers. So that is her feet so far. Most of the scum is off of her feet. You hear this rubbing sound? That is just me trying to clean off this filth stain off Ika's feet, Ika's legs. Feet, legs. What's the difference? There you go. That's how it looks after a good rubbing. After I wash my foot a bit. We're gonna do a light brush on this one. Light brush. So far so good. I wonder if this Magic Eraser is safe for your eyes. Like it's making like a lot of dust. Yeah, so this is the result that we got from all that rubbing. There's still like a little bit of stain there on her feet. You know. But we'll get to it. Over there. I missed a spot. Pretty silent today, huh? Well, quiet day. Dutch. Ain't gonna do all that Dutch. I should probably sing something to entertain you guys, but then again, Thai guy is doing a job there. I will totally recommend this figure though. This is by far the best looking Ika Musume that I have seen in her 3D form. That is really, really accurate to the show or to the manga. I would totally recommend this figurine. I got it for like $4, roughly that. So if you find someone selling it for $4, grab it almost immediately because this is a very good representation of Ika Musume in 3D form. If you are thinking about, if you're like one of those assholes that, you know, only buy scales, unfortunately, Ika Musume doesn't have a scale figure of her name. The expensive ones are all garage kits. So if you want to buy garage kits, go ahead, do it. Do you remember though that garage kits, they came not painted? It's like post painted or something, meaning that you only get like the base sculpt resin of the figurine, but not the painted version of it. If you want to buy the painted version of it, it's probably gonna cost like a lot of money. Most people just buy the base kit so they can like paint it themselves. There's nothing on the top but a bucket and a mop and a book illustrated about birds. There's nothing up there, but don't be scared. Who needs action when you got words? Hey, hey, look out in the street. Why can't you see the man who's got by Mikey? Yeah, so far so good. This is the condition of her legs after a good scrubbing. Yeah, still probably have to do a little bit on her torso. Apparently her torso have a lot of scummy things as well. But I feel that I might ruin the paint job of her dress. It's gonna suck, in it? Holy crap, is it supposed to be a stream? I mean, this has gotta be like one of the most boring streams that you guys ever watch. Correct? Yes, correct. Most of you are probably just going to shut off the video. There's nothing at stake here, there's no plot. It's just like watching one of those Adam Savage videos, except for the fact that it's not fun. Yeah, so anyway, there you go. I have scrubbed her legs. Before this, it was pretty disgusting, but now it is slightly less disgusting. All the stains of that paint transfer is now gone, so she is decent now. So there you go. That is my tutorial on how to clean your anime figurine by using Magic Eraser. It is a very effective product. It does work. Yeah, if you came across those paint transfer and stuff like that on your figurine, just use a little bit of Magic Eraser and scrub it lightly, and the stain will move itself away. But before you even use the Magic Eraser, make sure that you try to clean your figurine through traditional means. For example, using, tablecloth, microfiber cloth, and some detergent to make sure that it works. And if those things work, then you don't need to go to the lengths of using a Magic Eraser. It's going to probably peel off some of that paint underlying the figurine. But still though, I actually used a Magic Eraser on this one, and there's like a stain here and I don't see any paint peeling off. So yeah. Say goodbye, Toradora. Say goodbye, Tiger. Get the hell out of here. Later.